since I've joined a few companies recently, I actually created my own 90-day, like my 90-day draft on what I should do in the first 90 days. So it's split into 30, 60, and 90. So while the goals are not that set in stone, I do want to get as much information about the organization as possible in the first 30 days, as well as talk to
Learning
as
from.
many people in the organization.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I actually go on site. We return on site already. And I need to talk to as many people because for our companies, you have to interact with people who are not in tech, maybe some people in operations, some people in sales. So you'd want to build that rapport with them so that they understand you and you understand them when they have things that they ask from you.
Yeah.
Yeah. So that template has been very useful for me. There's actually a book out called First 90 Days, I think, that I use as my basis.